Hey guys, it's Mark with TinyLightbulbs reviewing the Manifold Clock. Manifold Clock is a really unique clock that comes from Studio V. These guys are based out of Tel Aviv, Israel, and they have just done something with a clock that I've never seen done before. So first of all, here you can see the packaging is really nice, very professional and very sleek, minimalist. And it gives you kind of a sneak peek of what the clock is like just on the outside. So you open it up, and here the clock is, just packaged very neatly inside. So let's go ahead and take this out and see how it works. So here's the Manifold Clock outside of its packaging. Now, as you can see, at first glance, you may not even realize that the Manifold Clock is in fact a clock because it just looks so different to any of the clocks that we're probably used to seeing on a day-to-day basis. But the guys at Studio V have done something really cool. The way that the clock works is based on a mathematical concept. If you want to look it up, it's called Riemann surfaces, specifically Riemannian manifold, and that's where the name comes from. But the guys at Studio V believe that time can be viewed in two ways. It can be viewed as linear or it can be viewed as cyclic, and it's both at the same time. So this clock really illustrates that in a really cool way. So as you can see, it's a very simple setup here. You just need one AA battery in the back. That's not included, so you just put that in after you take it out of the packaging, and then you can just set the time using this dial at the back. So obviously the long hand is the minute hand there, and the short is the hour. So you simply set it to whatever time it is, pop the battery in, and they've actually made really nice little subtle notches on the side of the clock here at 12, 3, 6, and 9 so that you can get a better idea of what you're exactly looking at. So once you put the battery in, you're ready to go ahead and just hang it up on the wall using this nice hook at the back. A question that I had when I first saw this was, wouldn't the minute hand get caught up in the hour hand when it goes around and it passes past it? And the answer to that is no, not at all. It just moves very effortlessly past that. And the way that this is designed is that the hour hand is actually the only part that's actually connected to the face of the clock. So there's no issues at all as this is moving past itself, and it just moves very smoothly, and the design is just really awesome. So the Manifold Clock can be purchased in a variety of different patterns. The pattern that you're seeing right here is the blue and green pixel pattern, but there's a few other different patterns that are available on the site, and they each just really the colors complement each other nicely, and they're all consistent with the same sleek, minimalist design that these guys have put together. So there you have it, the Manifold Clock. Get yours at tinylightbulbs.com today.